Mikey on the track.
Yeah. Hunters on me start. I'ma run it off.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Axel and I help entrepreneurs starting their online journey, starting their online business. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about a new tool that I discovered that has been here for a while, but I never heard of it. So I'm gonna introduce you to this tool because I use this tool not like yesterday, basically for a client, and I built his website for in one day. Okay, so in this tool is actually an e-commerce builder platform that is very useful, that is full of features, and so let's jump in, and I hope you're gonna love it. Let's jump in. All right, so in here. So here we go. So the tool is called Equid. Okay, here's the tool. So I create a session here to give you an overview of the tool, and so we're gonna go quickly through the benefits of this tool and why it's so useful. Okay, so the first benefit of this tool is obviously the necessity that you can have with having a tool like this. Okay, so let me explain. So if you have if you are a business who is getting hit by this crisis and who the turnover has been hit, and you want to increase your presence online, or you want to create your presence online, this is a perfect tool for you because this software will help you do that in a quick and easy way. I will show you why. Because actually all the feature of this software is just you can actually just plug this software into an already existing website. So if you have a WordPress website but you don't want to let's say pay for a developer anymore because it's way too expensive for your finance, now you can just plug this plugin, this widget, actually just plug this widget to your website, and you're going to be able to build your website by yourself. So this software also has a free plan, a forever free plan. So there is different plan. Let's see here. These plans are really affordable. So there is this plan. So there is no trial. There's no trial period where it's like their competition, like the competition where you have 2 weeks trial or 90 days trial. This plan, this software offer forever free plan. So that's great if you don't need to use advanced feature and you want to, when you have less than 10 products, as you can see here, and you want to still be able to do some e-commerce. Okay, so, and as you can see, the paid plan give you access to this advanced feature. As you can see here, in the first paid plan give you access to automated tax calculation, making discounts. This is really, I found this plan really affordable for a business. You're not gonna have to buy any extra theme, or any extra features, any extra app or anything like that. Of course, you can add some app and add some plugin to this website to help you better your marketing. But it's not gonna cost you much or just gonna ruin your budget, right? So you're gonna stay under full budget and you're gonna be able to sell online quickly and easily. So let's go to make a round about what is included in this. So this software gives you a step-by-step setup process that is really cool. It's really cool. As you see, you have to create your account, you add your store. So you can, if you already have a website, you can plug your website to it. You can see, or you can change your website, go to design your website. As you can see here, you can choose the theme, and yeah, you have so different theme you can choose here. Okay, and that's really cool because it's free, it's all free. You don't have to pay for any theme, and these themes are pretty legit, pretty cool. Okay, and they can be used very easily. So you also can add your domain, your custom domain, and you can start from scratch if you don't have any domain. Okay, that's really cool as well. So if you don't have a domain, they're gonna give you a pre-domain that you're gonna use, and that way you're gonna be able to move forward and start building your website. So one of the cool feature here is gonna be that so here, as you can see, you need to upgrade to get some features here, but you can track your order, you can edit your products. Really easy, really intuitive website. If you want to import a new image, if you want to add a new product, you can do that, and etc. Right? So the first thing you need to do usually when it comes to starting to build your website with this platform, you're gonna have to set up this setting. Okay, go to setting here, you set up your business information, your company name, email, company address, and everything. You put your social network all over the place, and it's gonna be really easy to manage. Really easy, guys. I did a website for a client yesterday. I built the website in one day, and it was really awesome. Really awesome. So the good point of this software is that you can plug to almost any website. If your website is on WordPress, you can plug this widget. If your website is on Wix, you can do it as well. You can use social media to start selling on social media, so you can connect to your Facebook account, to your Google Ads, provide discount coupon to your email autoresponder, and this also can send your email. Okay, you can see here, you can connect to Mailchimp, and this also sell emails by itself. So it's gonna stay in touch with your customer, and you're gonna be able to build your relationship as you want with the customer. So the capability of this website, of this widget, of this software is really awesome, because you can also go to Instagram to sell from Instagram. That's really cool. So another advantage of this product is that it's very, as I mentioned earlier, it's very quick and easy to set up. Really easy to set up, guys. As I told you, you just follow the step here. You add your product and you add your setting. You're gonna have to add your shipping, your regional setting. We went into that already. So yeah, so you're gonna choose your shipping method. Okay, so you can choose for a local delivery method. You can add for a free delivery and a custom rate, depends of where you're sending your products. And you have here, if you have a carrier, that here you can put it as well. Okay, so that's really cool. That's really cool. So the other advantage, as I said to you, it was the pricing. So you have this forever plan, as we've seen here. This forever plan, that is really cool. Products here that can meet your needs in terms of what your business needs at that point. But I think when you're getting started, if you don't have a presence yet online, you can just go with this free plan. And then when you feel like, okay, you handle the product, because this is very intuitive, so this is gonna take like a couple of days. So when you understand that how works the product, how much you can benefit from the product, you can jump to a pay plan. On this pay plan, unlike the competition, there is no commission on sales. So you can sell as much as you want, the volume of sales that you want, and you won't be to pay any commission on this sales, right? So here you can go down and see what advantage are in different plans. So what I really like in this product is the user experience. It's really newbie friendly, right? If you really don't want to hire a developer, a web developer, you just go with this solution, and that's gonna help you very easily. And yeah, I think you're gonna be very happy. You can add some staff account. Okay, so you can add your employees, in this field, you can do a lot of things. As you can see here, you can sell on eBay, Amazon, Google Shopping, Facebook. You can sell on Messenger, on Facebook platform, everything, guys. You can do literally everything, almost everything. Okay, and this is just with the free plan. That's really awesome. And another skill that I really like with this tool is that there is a many language capabilities. So if you are French, or if you are English, or if you are Italian, or from the Netherlands, you have all these language that are included, and they're gonna also communicate with the customer when they're gonna sell. They're gonna send invoice to your customers, they're gonna send emails to your customer, and this is gonna be in the language of your customer. This is gonna be based on your customer's browser. Okay, they're gonna recognize the customer's browser, the setting that they have, and they're gonna translate this in their language. So that's really cool. That's a really cool feature here. Okay, so again, this tool is called Equid. Okay, it's been a tool that has been here for a long time. I was using another solution, but when I found this solution, I straight up jumped into offering this solution to different clients and talking to people about this solution, because this is a awesome solution, guys. And in my business, I talk about only tools that I use and that I understand and I can actually help people. Okay, that I really use. So here I will go really quick on the customer on the website I created yesterday, and I create this just in one day, right? Just in one day, you have this really cool page that's look how great it's looking, right? So if you just start, you don't need more. Okay, if you just start slow. You won't need more features. Here you can see you can change many things, as I said. So you can change the location, you can change the information, where they can contact you, where they can find you. You can change the design of your store, and it's really easy, really intuitive, and really easy for beginners. And I really like this tool, right? So I hope you guys enjoy as well this video. You had some value from it. If you want to know more and have this tool for you, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Just go there, or just go to Google, right? As you may know, this link is gonna be an affiliate link. If you sign up through my link, I'm gonna have a small commission from that. So that's gonna help my channel grow. So I would really appreciate if you do that. But you can perfectly go on Google. That's gonna be great as well for you. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, share it with someone who need to see this tool and who's gonna need this tool. Comment below if you have any questions about this tool that I can answer. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Cheers.